Hello children, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir audio video lesson. Now children, today we are going to solve your SST worksheet. I am your Miss Nilofer and I want you all to remove your SST worksheet and we are going to solve it. For lesson number 11, good habits and good manner. Children, first I want you all to write your division, date, name and roll number, and then we'll start solving. Okay, so first one, choose the correct option and fill in the blank. Now children, here we have 5 fill in the blanks and options are given. We are going to read all the fill in the blanks and choose the correct option. Okay, so first one, we learn dash at home and in the school. So children, can you tell me what do we learn at home and in school? Yes, you are right. We learn good habits at home and in the school. Now second one, we should have good habits to be dash. We should have good habits to be dash. Now children, there are options like healthy, mistake, cue, good habit, exercise. So tell me, what will be the answer? Yes, you are right. We should have good habits to be healthy. Very good, children. The third one, we should stand in a dash while getting in and getting down from the school bus. So children, how should we stand while getting in and getting down from the school bus? Yes, you're right. We should stand in a queue while getting in and getting down from the school bus. Now children, those who don't know the meaning of queue, I'm going to tell you. The meaning of queue is to stand in a straight line. Fourth one, when we make a dash, we must say sorry. So now children, tell me, when do we say sorry? Yes, you're right. When we make a mistake, we must say sorry. Very good, children. Now the fifth one. To be healthy, we must dash daily. To be healthy, we must dash daily. So what we must do to be healthy, children? Yes, you're right. To be healthy, we must exercise daily. Very good, children. Now we will go to our next question. Question number 2, write true or false. First one, we must speak loudly. So children, is speaking loudly right or wrong? It is wrong. So we are going to write false. We must help our classmate. So children, is it true or false? Yes, it is true because helping your classmate is good thing. Very good, children. Now third one, we must say sorry if we want something. What do you think, children? Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because we say please if we want something. We will never say sorry. If you want a book, what you are going to say? Please give me this book. So this is false. Very good. Now fourth one, good habits are liked by everyone. So children, what do you think? Is this true or false? Yes, you're right. It is true because good habit makes us look good. So it is liked by everyone. Very good, children. Now we will go to our next question. Now match the following. To keep nail clean. So children, when you have to keep your nail clean, what are you going to do? A toothbrush, you're going to use toothbrush, yes or no? No. You're going to use hairbrush? No. Nail cutter to keep your nail clean. Do you need nail cutter? Yes or no? Yes. So the first one answer is C. One. To brush our teeth. So children, what do you need to brush our teeth? A toothbrush, B hairbrush, C nail cutter, D your elders, E soap and water. What do you need? Yes, you're right. A, toothbrush. So second one is A. Come on, write it A. Third one, to take a bath. So children, to take a bath, A, toothbrush, B, hairbrush, C, nail cutter, D, your elders, E, soap and water. What do you think, children? What will come? Yes, E, soap and water, because to take a bath we need soap and water. So for third one we are going to write E. Fourth one, to comb our hair. So children, to comb your hair, what do you need? A, toothbrush, B, hairbrush, C, nail cutter, D, your elders, E, soap and water. What we need? Yes, B, hairbrush. To comb our hair we need hairbrush. So fourth one is B. Last one, listen to. So children, we need to listen to your elders. So fifth one is D. Question number 4. Answer the following. Which are the 3 magic words? So children, tell me, what are the 3 magical words? So children, our answer is thank you, sorry and please are the 3 magical words. 1. How will you greet your teacher in the school? So tell me children, how do you greet your teacher in the school? Children, our answer is by wishing good morning and good afternoon. 1. Why should we follow good habits? So children, what will be our answer? Yes, you're right. Our answer is we should follow good habits to be healthy. Very good. Now the fourth one. Write any 2 good habits. So children, I have taught you so many good habits. From that, let us write 2 good habits. So, brush your teeth twice a day and take a bath daily in the morning. Very good children. So children, I hope you have understood how to write your worksheet and you will solve your worksheet. Take care children. Bye bye. See you soon.